How you can create Valorant account? You just have to search for create Valorant account. Then you follow me. Just click on at the link at the top. Then I just have to change this language to English, and then you go make one. Then you enter up an email. Make sure that it's not a spam email. It's your real email. Don't use a random email. Or if you want to use random email, you can also do that. You can also change the email later on to confirm it. And for this, you just have to enter your day and your month and then your year. You don't have to enter it as truthful as possible. Then you enter your username, then your password. Bear in mind that you cannot change your username later on, so make sure that you choose a really good username. After picking out the password, you'll be heading into this where you can download the game, but just make sure that I've created the account. I'm going to settings just to check the account. And there you have it. You have created a Valorant account that you can use to play the Valorant right away.